Hi, my name is Mallory Bellew, and I'm going to show you how to create an assignment using Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle allows you to use videos and simple editing tools to create engaging visual lessons for students. So first I need to log in. I'm going to click log in as a teacher, and then I like to log in with Google because if I link my Google account to Edpuzzle, I can import my Google Classroom to Edpuzzle. Now that I'm logged in, I'm going to show you around. If you look up here, you have Content, Gradebook, and My Classes. So if you go to Gradebook is going to store your students' scores they have made on assignments you have assigned. It'll tell you the start date and the due date of your assignments. If you go to My Classes, it'll list the classes that you have created. It'll tell you any assignments you have due. It'll tell you the due date, and it'll tell you the students who have completed the assignment, who have started on the assignment, and who has not attempted the assignment at all. You can invite your students by giving them a class code to type in, by sharing a link for them to type in, or by emailing them a link to join. If you want to import your students from Google Classroom, you'll click Import from Google Classroom. You'll have to give Google permission. Once you have given them permission, you can click on one of these here to import the class into your Edpuzzle account. If you click up here on Content, it's going to take you back to the screen that you saw when you logged in. So underneath Content, you have Home. Home shows you what videos are trending in general education, in your state, and in the United States. Now let's look at curriculum. Edpuzzle breaks down content into 3 areas: elementary school, middle school, and high school. You click View Content, and it has the videos broken down by subject. So I'm going to click on ELA. And when I go to ELA, I have different categories. So like language, writing, speaking, reading. I'm going to click on language. Well, there's even now subcategories where it breaks down just language into vocabulary, sentence structure, parts of speech, punctuation. And so once I click on the subcategory, it gives me videos that have already been created on Edpuzzle. If you look right here, this little symbol here tells you how many questions are in the video. You can click on the name of your school, and this area is where you can share videos with your fellow teachers. If you go to My Content, it has videos that you have edited or created on your own. If you come down here to Popular Channels, you can find videos from these websites that are listed here. If you go to Edpuzzle's channel, you can search your topic up here, or you can filter by subject. So let's say that you have looked through Edpuzzle for a video and you haven't found any videos that are pre-made that you would like to use. If you go to the YouTube channel, YouTube is going to have videos that have not been edited in any way. I'm going to use the search bar up top to search for my topic. I'm going to type in middle school plot elements and search for the video. I am going to click on this video here. Before you start editing a project, you're going to want to view the YouTube video first to make sure it meets your needs. I'm going to go ahead and click on Edit. So again, this video has no edits. I'm going to be completely editing the video how I want it to be. As soon as you click to edit your video, it will automatically take you to crop video. This is going to be where you can change the length of your video. I know at the end of my video, I have this down here that I have no use for. So I can use the red pieces here and here to change the length of my video. I have no use to move my front one. I want to keep that the same. So I'm only going to move this one back here. And if I keep moving it, it's going to slide the video with me, and I can make sure that I get all of the pieces I don't need out of my video. If you click on VoiceOver, it will take you to this here. VoiceOver is used to talk over the entire video. You can give more information. Maybe someone speaks a different language. This gives you the option to speak over the video. But for you to be able to save the voiceover, you have to record over the entire video. I'm going to click on Audio Notes. Audio Notes will pause the video so that way you can give a comment, explain a concept, give more details, or even just give a checkpoint. To create an audio note, I can click the play button and let the video play to the spot where I want to add the note, click pause, and then click on the yellow microphone. Or I can just move this down to the spot where I want to add the note, and I can click on the yellow microphone to record my audio note. What is plot? When I'm done making my audio note, I will click the yellow microphone again to stop recording. Now I'm going to go to quizzes. So when I go to quizzes, just like before, I can move this here to place my questions, or I can just let the video play. So I'm going to go ahead and we'll just stop right here. I'm going to click on the green question mark, and I'm going to ask a question. I can do an open-ended question, a multiple choice question, or I can leave a comment. So my open-ended question is going to be, what is the climax? And I click save, and it will save my question. Students have to answer the questions before they're able to move on to the rest of the video. Now I'm going to go further down the video and add another quiz. So if I click this button here for the comment, I can add a comment for my students to see when they are answering the question. So I'm going to go ahead and add my comment. And if I press this plus sign here, I can add another comment, or I can add a question. So this time I'm going to do a multiple choice question. And I'm just going to put down something random to save the multiple choice spot. And then I'll click save. So when I'm completely finished with my quiz, you click the finish button up at the top, and it will take you to this screen here. You can change the start date, you can add a due date, and you can click which class that you want to assign it to. You can prevent skipping. This is going to be where students can't skip through the video. They have to watch the entire thing. So I'm going to click my class here, and then you can click to assign it now or later. So I went in and I took the assignment as a student. So if you go back to the top and click on Gradebook, you can see the results. So it tells you here my name. It says that I spent a total of 2 minutes on the assignment. And if you click here on these 3 dots, it will give you my results. So it says that I watched 100% of the video, and then I have 0 out of 2 answers correct. It tells you the time that I spent and when I turned it in. So if you scroll down here, you can see my response. Let's first look at the open-ended question. It said that I had 0 out of 2 correct. You have to go in and manually grade the open-ended questions. You can click preview the video if you need to go back and preview. You can click the X if it's automatically wrong. You can click the check if it's automatically right, and then you can even type in if you want to give partial credit. And then on purpose, I missed the multiple choice just so that way you could see what it would look like. Again, they automatically said it was wrong because I could pick a correct choice for the multiple choice questions. If you do decide that they get the answer correct, you can click the green button and it will change it for you. If you have multiple students who have turned in their responses, you can click the next student, and this will take you through all of your students at one time instead of having to go back and click on each individual student.